Now we will have solving linear equations with variables on both sides of the equation. For this work, it is important that we have done solving two-step equations. Again, we have our materials. We have our unit tiles, our xp's, our negative unit tiles, and then we also have our fraction of x p's. And then we also have our fraction pieces. Now let's say we are going to work on 3x plus 4 is equal to x minus 8. With our materials, we have 3 pieces of x, then we have 4 units, is equivalent to 1 piece of x and 8 negative unit tiles. What is different about this equation? Not only do we have some units on both sides of our equation, we also have x pieces. We know that we want our final equation to look like x is equal to. So we need to first make sure we have x pieces only on one side. Let's say we want them only on the left. Can we just remove this one x from the right-hand side? No, we cannot do that unless we do the same thing to the other side. Can we take away or subtract 1x from both sides? Yes, we can. Let's put that into writing. So we have 3x plus 4 is equal to 8 minus 8. And we took out x p's on both sides. That's minus x and minus x. This gives us 2x plus 4 is equal to negative 8. Going back, we have 2x plus 4 is equal to negative 8. Now what else can we do? We need to isolate our x pieces. We can take away 4 units from our left by having 0 pairs in our right. So that's minus 4 and then minus 4. Let's write that down. So we have minus 4, that gives us 2x is equal to negative 12. So here we have 2 pieces of x and 12 negative unit tiles. We have to find the value of our x. So since we're left with 2 x pieces, we have to divide our group into 2. So now we have 2x is equal to negative 12 over 2. Then that gives us x is equal to negative 6. Let's look at our materials once again. We have x is equal to negative 6. Now let's look at this equation. We have 3x minus 6 is equal to 5x plus 4. How can we make sure that we only have x's on the left? So we have 3x pieces, negative 6 is equal to 5x plus 4. With this layout, we can subtract 5x from each side. So we have negative 5x gives us negative 2x minus 6 is equal to 4. With our materials, now we are left with negative 2x minus 6 is equal to 4 when we took away the x pieces in our right. What if we wanted the x pieces on the right instead? What could we do? We could subtract 3x from both sides. So we have minus 3x minus 3x. That leaves us with negative 6 is equal to 2x plus 4. So the same with our materials. We have negative 6 is equal to 2x pieces plus 4. This second way makes the x term positive, but then it is on the right-hand side. It is more common for it to be on the left, but we know how to solve it either way. If we wished, we could even write negative 6 is equal to 2x plus 4, or we can have 2x plus 4 is equal to negative 6. And then we can continue to solve. So what really is 3x minus 6 is equal to 5x plus 4? What's the value of our x? You may give your answers by leaving some comments below.